Myself, Bhavesh Bhimajiani from Paschim Gujarat Ridge Company Limited. I am going to present our nomination, which is called Governance through Expenditure MIS. We have been implementing this project since 2018.
Your presentation is not visible.
Okay, sir, let me share.
Yeah, now it's there. Yeah.
Is it visible now?
Yeah. Make
Okay,
it full
thank you.
screen.
Thank you very much, sir.
Make it full screen.
Full screen. The project is Governance through Expenditure MIS. In PGVCL, we are implementing this for the last 3 years. Let me first give a brief overview of my nomination. This expenditure MIS is being implemented by us as corporate office, and by this we are monitoring expenditure activity of more than 300 our subordinate offices, which includes 12 circle offices at district level, 45 division offices, and 243 subdivision offices. We have covered our major finance and account related activities, 26 major activities which we have identified and are monitoring from corporate office. We have implemented this from October 2018, and we are implementing the same successfully for the last 3 years, and will continue the same for next so many years to come. Before deployment of this project, we were facing some challenges because our PGVCL company is divided into more than 300 offices.
I think neither you are able to move your screen nor you are able to make it full.
So every offices were from remote areas, remote places, and the work competency of the persons and the offices
Sir,
whereas
you
from
are at,
person to person.
kindly
And
move your
yes,
move
sir.
your slide.
Yes, sir. I am moving slide. This is
But we
first
are
one.
not able to see it. Now you remain at the first slide.
Sir, I have already moved to third slide.
Okay. Some problem. There seems to be some problem. Go ahead. We are listening.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So the issue was that the person from person and from office, the work competency varied, and which is a very normal thing. But the effect thereof in our company as a whole is ठीक है रहने दो हाँ. Is that some offices do their work perfectly, some of the offices do their work in time, however the other offices do some work differently and at later stage. So this was the main issue why we thought of preparing one project like this and to implement this at all the places. So we defined one process, what to do. We identified 26 major activities, and we defined formats in which the details are required to be prepared by the field offices, which will be reviewed on every month by the higher offices. So we prepared the formats as well as we defined the class of people, class 1 officers who will review this. So in our corporate office, we allot this task to all the account officer who are looking after these activities. Every month, they collect the details from field offices, review the same in detail at here, corporate office, raises some observations, and then the same observations are given to them for further correction and betterment. The innovative aspect of our company is that, as we know all that in government organization, everyone works as per the roles and responsibility given to them and as per the powers delegated to them. However, generally the higher offices involve them in policy making decisions only and not day-to-day functioning. But here in PGVCL, we do take care of this portion also, sir. We review their day-to-day activity, of course on monthly basis, but we make sure that they are doing their job as per the roles, responsibility, circulars, letters, rules, regulation, everything. And we have covered expenditure portion. The second innovative aspect of our project is that we have focused on expenditure. Generally, revenue portion is being looked after by every organization. But we have chosen expenditure part as well, so as to have better and effective cost control. So we made aware all our field offices about this project 3 years back, and we guided them and circulated some formats and letters and detailed guidelines as how they have to implement this, how they have to prepare the details, how they have to submit these details. And similarly in our office also, we decided how to review this, how to make observations, and how to give them, and how the action taken report to be collected from them. Our this project, as I earlier mentioned, is applicable to more than 300 offices, and the employees involved in this task are more than 14,000. So this is a huge task for us, and this is not a compulsion for us, but we have preferred to implement such projects so as to have effective cost control. In government organization, generally we do not see this. Generally, the people let other people do their job as per their roles and responsibility. But in the interest of company, we have interfered in this matter, and we have covered more than 300 offices with us.
Conclude your presentation in next 1 minute.
हाँ जी सर.
प्रेजेंटेशन 1 मिनट में पूरी कर दो अभी.
ओके सर, ठीक है. तो हमने we also got benefits. I have short period of time, so I will not elaborate this. But the area 26 activities which we have covered, in almost all these activities, we have compared the position which was in October 2018 with May 2021, and we have shown that we achieved a lot through this project in many areas. in which we were lagging behind before 3 years. Now we are at par. So lots of benefits we have received. And potential from our project is that if such projects are implemented in other government companies as well, so all are in a position to have better cost control. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Please just tell me how much expenditure has come down in terms of percentage, if you can tell.
Sir, in terms of percentage, I cannot tell because every year our revenue is generating, revenue which we generate goes up. So expenditure is also going up.
No, but how do we know that, your MIS has really helped?
Sir, in our MIS, we have covered some areas which are in better, which are for betterment of our overall procedure. Let me share one example with you, sir. Sir, TDS defaults which are generated in the income tax portal. This is one type of defaults on the parts of company, which were 65 lakhs in the year 2018 and before. Now it has come down to 1 lakh, sir.
Okay. Because the process is totally automated now.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
It is on app, no?
App, no, it is not on app, sir.
Hmm.
They are preparing the detail in Excel format. They send us through mail, and then we prepare a booklet.
But why
And
don't you
we-
automate this process?
Sorry, sir.
Why don't you automate, digitize the entire process? Because now most of the offices we have seen, they are going through digitization and
That's possible. Definitely, we will do this, sir. This is possible and very beneficial to us also.
or better MIS.
This is definitely, sir. We will both for the same, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sharma ji, please.
Sir, are you able to provide training regularly, regular training and upskilling of your staff to handle this MIS system?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Because of this corona and lockdown for the last 2 years, we have not met so much. But before 2020, every month we were meeting, sir. And necessary guidance were provided to them face to face.
And it has to be a periodical exercise because you are also upgrading your system on some in between.
Sir, we every month we are reviewing this and we are communicating through letter format. Before 2 years, we were gathering face to face, but for the last 2 years, we are communicating our observation. We are guiding them through letters in the form of circulars, letters, etc.
Okay. Has this also resulted in the billing and collection efficiency of your organization?
Sir, billing and collection efficiency is totally automated, sir. As sir rightly said few minutes back, it is totally automated. Our bills, calculation, etc., all are automated through systems. So there are less chances there in the revenue section.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.